Are you tired of cold, unappetizing food at your gatherings? Here are the 5 best chafing dish sets I found, and one that you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Alpha Living Disposable Buffet Set. The Alpha Living 6-pack disposable chafing dish buffet set priced at $34.99. What caught my attention is how complete this set is for any event. And honestly, if you're looking for an affordable and convenient option to impress your guests, this is worth a serious look. The Alpha Living set includes everything you need to set up a buffet. 6 chafing dish wire racks, 3 sets of utensils, 6 aluminum half-size pans, and 6 cans of fuel. That's a lot for the price. Each dish is designed to keep your food warm, fresh, and full of flavor. In fact, the high-quality aluminum construction means it's safe for food and perfect for any occasion, from weddings to barbecues. With over 7,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many people trust this product. Now, some people complained about the disposable nature of these pans, feeling they might not hold up as well as stainless steel. Here's the thing though, while they are disposable, that makes cleanup a breeze. If you're hosting a large event and don't want to deal with washing multiple pans, this is a non-issue. This set is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free solution for casual gatherings or events without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can be reused multiple times. Now, if the disposable aspect of the Alpha Living set doesn't sit well with you, the next option has a more durable design.
Product number 2. Alpha Living Full-Size Buffet Set. Another Alpha Living product, the large full-size 33 PCS disposable chafing buffet set for $53.29. I was impressed by the completeness of this set, making it ideal for larger gatherings. If you want to ensure your food stays warm and appealing, this is definitely worth considering. This set comes with 3 chafing dish wire racks, 3 aluminum half pans, 6 lids, and 6 cans of fuel. Just like our first product, it's designed to keep your food at the perfect serving temperature. It's a great option for events like birthdays or family gatherings, and with 1,000 units sold in the last month, it's already gaining popularity. However, some users mentioned that the lid quality could be better, as they're not as sturdy as the rest of the set. I'll be real with you, while the lids could be a bit flimsy, they still do the job of keeping your food warm and covered, which is what matters in a buffet setup. This set is perfect for you if you want quality and convenience for medium-sized events. Skip this option if you're looking for a more long-term solution, as these are still designed for occasional use. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more permanent solution. Product number 3. Elite Gourmet Buffet Server. Let's talk about the Elite Gourmet EWM 6171 Triple Buffet Server, priced at $45.99. This caught my eye because it offers a corded electric option that is perfect for home use. If you want to serve warm dishes without worrying about fuel cans, you should check this out. This buffet server includes 3 2.5 quart trays, perfect for keeping different dishes warm. The adjustable temperature control allows you to keep food at low, medium, or high settings, which means you can customize it based on what you're serving. Plus, with over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clear this server is a favorite among home entertainers. But here's the thing, it relies on electricity, which can be a drawback if you're planning an outdoor event with no power source. For home use though, it's super convenient. This is perfect for you if you host frequent indoor gatherings and want to keep food warm. Skip this if you need something portable for outdoor use. It's a great value considering the features it offers. Now, if you're looking for something a bit sturdier and more upscale, the next product should catch your interest. Product number 4. Alpha Living Stainless Steel Chafer Set. We have the Alpha Living 4-pack chafing dish full set, priced at $129.99. I was genuinely surprised by the quality of this stainless steel chafer set. If you're looking for something durable that can withstand multiple uses, this is definitely worth a look. With an 8-quart capacity for each tray, these chafers are built to keep your food warm and ready to serve. The stainless steel frame not only looks elegant, but is also rust-resistant and durable. Each chafer comes with fuel holders and foldable legs for easy transport. Plus, it's been purchased over 700 times in the past month, so people are clearly appreciating the quality. Now, some users noted that the weight of the product can be a bit cumbersome to handle, especially when transporting it to events. Here's my perspective. While it is heavier, that weight contributes to its sturdiness. If you're hosting upscale events regularly, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a classy, long-lasting chafer set for weddings or formal events. Skip this if you need something lightweight for casual use, but for the price, it offers great value for serious hosts. Finally, if you're looking for a stylish option that also performs well at gatherings, you'll want to check out our last product. Product number 5, KS Cocina 4-Pack Chafing Dish Set. Last but not least is the KS Cocina 4-Pack 5-Cord Round Stainless Steel Chafing Dish Set for $139.99. I loved the elegant design and the fact that it's crafted to keep food warm for hours. If you want to impress your guests with both style and function, this one's a winner. The KS Cocina set features high-quality stainless steel and advanced water vapor circulation, which really helps to maintain optimal food temperature. The water level indicators are a thoughtful touch, ensuring you don't run into any issues during your event. And with 500 units sold recently, it seems to be winning hearts in the catering community. However, some buyers found the assembly a bit tricky due to the integrated stand. I get it. If you want something simple, this could feel cumbersome, but the elegance and functionality make it worth the effort for special occasions. This is perfect for you if you want a beautiful set that keeps food at the right temperature. Skip this if you prefer more straightforward assembly or lightweight options. For the quality and aesthetics, it's definitely a worthwhile investment.
We covered some fantastic options today. The Alpha Living disposable buffet set is great for casual events, while their full-size buffet set offers a solid mid-range choice. The Elite Gourmet buffet server is perfect for home use, and the Alpha Living stainless steel chafer set provides durability for upscale gatherings. Lastly, the KS Cocina set is ideal for those wanting elegance and high performance.